So hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel everyone, and today's video's agenda is how to pick stocks for the swing trading. In the previous video we have talked about the stock selection for the intraday, and today we are going to talk about the stock selection for the swing trading. So there are different ways of trading. First is positional, second is swing trading, third is intraday, and fourth is scalping. Intraday stock selection we have talked about. Now we are talking about swing trading. So now how swing trading is different from the other forms of trading. In positional trading, you invest in value. You see there is a value in any stock and you buy it, or you see some stocks is overvalued and you short sell it. In intraday, you are just concerned with a day's movement. You take the margin from your brokers and you enter the position thinking about a movement of one day at most. Scalping Scalping survives for at most 45 minutes to 1 hour. Swing trading is something which is between intraday and positional trading. It is like for a week, for 2 weeks, even for 3 days, 2 days. So most of the swing traders, what they do is that they take a position on the Monday morning when market opens and closes their position on the Friday closing. So this is a swing trading's most basic example. What you are trying to do is you are trying to catch a medium term, or we can say more than a short term's momentum. Okay, so and the basic about the swing trading is that market moves in the cycles. We have a video about the market cycles. You can watch that if you don't know about the market cycles. And if market moves in cycles, then definitely stocks are also moving in cycles. So stocks moves like this. You can see this momentum going up, going down, going up, going down. So this is an hourly chart. That's why this cycle is small and you can see a lot of ups and downs. So in swing trading, we will try to identify the stocks which are about to reach the peak, or those are at the peak, or those who are about to reach the bottom or are at the bottom. So we can identify which stocks are in momentum, because once we identify the stocks which are in momentum, we know that that momentum is not going to fade away in an hour or two. That momentum is going to stick for at least a week or 5 days. If that particular stocks had proven itself to have good momentum in the past, we are going to see the stocks which are in the momentum from the past 30 days. Then we know that this stock is at least going to be in the momentum for the upcoming 1 week, and we are going to capture that. In swing trading, if you have selected the right stock which is in the momentum or which is about to gain the momentum, then definitely your 70 to 80% job is done. Okay, and after that you can analyze the stocks whether I have to go long or I have to go short in that stock, and you can accordingly enter. So let's use the first strategy for the swing stock selection. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to go to the NSE's website. So once you are on the NSE's website, go to the market data. Here you will find out equity and SME. Click on this. Here you have the data about the equity stocks. You can find Nifty 50. We want the data about Nifty 50 only. And if you want the data about any other indices, Nifty Bank or something, you can do that. Right now we are focusing on the Nifty 50 only. Nifty 50 selected. Download the file. So file is downloaded. Let's open the file. This is an Excel file. In the file, we will be getting the data about the different stocks. I'll show you what that data is and how to use that data for our advantage in the stock selection. So now here the file has been opened. And now in this we can see there are different stock and indices in which we can see the change given for the last 365 days and the last 30 days. Okay, so select the last 30 days column, select this column and go to the data, and then organize it in the descending order, largest to smallest. Okay, yeah, sort it. So now you can see it will show you the change, the most stock which has changed most. So Tata Steel, JSW Steel, Bajaj Financial Services, Wipro, Sun Pharma, Dr. Reddy, SBI Life, Hindalco, Bajaj Finance, Device Lab, ONGC. Similarly, you can find at the bottom the stock which has taken the most hit. So these stocks are Shri Cement, HCL Tech, Britannia, Titan, Ultra Cement. So by this we have realized that these stocks are there in the momentum from the last 30 days, because look at Tata Steel has changed 28.74%, JSW Steel 23.26%. It clearly gives us an indication that these stocks are in the motion, are in the momentum. Sri Cement down by 11.85%. So now we have to do one simple thing. The people who wants to buy the stocks, who want to go long on the stocks, search for the opportunities in both upside and downside stocks, because through this you can identify whether this stock is at the peak or about to reach the peak, or it is on the peak. If it is on the peak, then is it ready to fall now? Because these stocks are in momentum, whether they are going to rise or whether they are going to fall, they will be in the momentum. Okay, that's why you have to select stocks from these stocks which are in the momentum from the past 30 days. Okay, I'm not saying that if Tata Steel is now above 28.74%, that doesn't mean that Tata Steel is not going to rise further. I am just saying that these stocks are in the momentum. Whether the momentum is upside and the downside, we have to apply our market analysis and then we have to decide. I'm saying that these stocks will be in the momentum right for the swing trading, right? So this is the first way to select the stock. What you have to do is you have to go to the NSE's website, and NSE's website, go to market data, go to equity and SME. In equity you will go select Nifty 50, and once you are at the Nifty 50, download this file. Okay, select Nifty 50 here and then download this file. Now second way is through moving averages. Moving averages, when two moving averages are colliding, like I want to select a stock for the swing trading, I'll be watching it on the daily chart. So now I am on the daily chart. I'll be applying set of two moving averages. One is going to be the fast 10 days, another is going to be the slow 21 days, or a set of 20-50. If you want to take a swing trade for 2-3 weeks, then you can go for the 20-50. Sorry, here you can see moving averages getting near to each other, and after that you can see the momentum. The momentum we have seen is good momentum. So if the moving averages are coming close, which means that now the momentum is going, and once the moving averages touches each other, that's the time when we think that momentum will be back in the market. First example here, second here, third you can see, fourth here also you can see. We are on the daily chart. So we have seen a momentum of 1 2 3 4 5 days. So if anybody who have analyzed that this is the right time to short the market, must be a good momentum. Sometimes this strategy will give you a longer momentum, sometime it will give you a shorter momentum also, but definitely through this also you can easily, again you can look easily, you can identify which stocks are about to get into the momentum, because this is the very rare occasion in which the slow and the fast moving averages both flattens out and both walk along a horizontal line. So once they are colliding, means the momentum is about to come in that stock. So these are the two different strategies through which you can pick the stock for the swing trading. So I hope you have completely understood both the techniques. Once you identify the stocks for the best stocks for the swing trading, then you can apply your market analysis skills and you can analyze whether I want to short or I want to go long on this particular stock. So these are the two different ways, because stock selection is really important while we are dealing in the swing trading, because if momentum is not there, then we can easily hit our stop losses. So that's why the swing trading stock selection is very important. So thank you so much for watching this video, everyone. Please do like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.